A very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to continue with the division. Chapter number 6, division. I think you all know what is division, isn't it? What is division? Division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. How we'll distribute equal quantities to all the equal groups? We have to distribute in equal quantities in equal groups. That is called as division. Division is dividing a number into small equal groups. We are going to divide into small equal groups. It is denoted by the symbol. What symbol we'll use for division? So this is the symbol for division. Division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. Equal quantities in equal groups. So just consider I'm having 4 chocolates now. How many chocolates? I'm having 4 chocolates. How will I give to 2 children? I'm having 4 chocolates. How many chocolates I'm having? I'm having 4 chocolates in my hand. So how will I give to? So first I'm having how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates. Now I'm having 4 chocolates. How will I give to 2 children now? So just consider this is one child and this is one child. First I'll give one to each one child. So I'll give 1 chocolate to this child and again 1 chocolate to this child. So now how many is left with me now? Again 2. So again I'll give 1 to each one of them. So now tell me how many chocolates will each one get? So each one will get 2 chocolates, isn't it? So each one will get 2 chocolates. So division means distributing equal quantity. So I'm giving 2 chocolate to this child and 2 chocolate to this child, right? So I'm giving equally in equal quantities. So that is called as division. Division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. It is denoted by the symbol. This is a symbol for division. And now we'll see one more. So divide equally by forming groups. So last class we saw some sums, right? We'll continue. 20 goers among 10 children. We are going to give 20 goers among 10 children. How many children now? How many children? 20 goers are there. Just count how many goers are there here. 20 goers are there. So we have to give equally among 10 children. Now how many children are there? So 10 children. Shall we form 10 groups now? So first we'll form 10 groups now. Now shall we form groups now? So we'll put 10 boxes now. How many boxes? 10 boxes. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll form groups, 10 groups. Now, so shall we give 1 to each one of the child now? So 1 goer to this child, 1 like that. So we'll give 1 to each one of the child. So 1. So how many we have given? We have given 10, right? So now, so 10 is over. So we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 is over. Now how many is left with us now? How many is left now? Again 10 more. Again shall we distribute equally? Yes. Now again shall we give 1 to each one of the child? Yes. Again 1 we'll give. 1. Now tell me how many goers each one of the child gets? Just see how many goers each one is getting now. 2, isn't it? So each one is getting 2 goers. So division we are distributing equal quantities in equal groups. So we are giving 2 to each one of the child, right? So how to do this? So 20. So 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. First, initially, how many goers were there? 20 goers. And how many children? 10 children. How will you divide equally? So 2. So each one will get 2 goers. So now you know how to do division, how to form a groups, right? So this sum do as homework. 16 sandwiches among 4 people. That you do as homework. I think I've given in worksheet, finish in the notebook book itself. Now, division as repeated subtraction. We know that multiplication is a repeated addition, right? And division is a repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. How to do that? We'll see now. So last class we saw a sports teacher. He was having 12 balls in his hand, and he was having, and 4 players were there. How he will distribute the 12 balls among 4 children? Last class we saw this, right? Now this we will do in repeated subtraction. How to do that? Shall we see now? Now, sports teacher divided 12 balls among 4 players. How many balls initially he was having? 12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. How many children were there? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how he gave that? So initially first he gave 1 1 to each one of the child, right? So first he gave 1 1, again 1 1 he gave, like that. So just count 12 balls, right? So he gave 3 balls to each one of the child. So now how to do this in repeated subtraction, that we'll see now. So now same question that we will do in the repeated subtraction. So we notice that 12 balls, he actually subtracted 4. So initially he was having how many balls? Initially he was having 12 balls, right? So first how many balls he gave to all the children? So he gave 1 1. How many balls he gave then? First he gave 4 balls. So as they were 4 players, right? So first he gave 4 balls. So that 4 we will subtract. What we will do? So first we will subtract. First he distributed 4 balls, isn't it? So first he distributed 4 balls. So we will subtract 4 from 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 8 balls is left. Again, first just I'll put one more time. Just see this. First what he has done. So 4 players were there. So first he gave 1 1 to each of the players, isn't it? So this 4 balls. So first initially he was having 12. He gave 4 balls to each one of the child. So he gave 1 1 to each one of the child. So shall we divide that 4 now? So sorry, we'll subtract 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So what is the second step? So 12 minus 4 is 8. Second step is, then again he is giving 4 more balls, right? So again from this 8, so first we'll subtract 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So from this 8, again he is giving 4, again he is distributing the balls equally, right? So again 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4, when you subtract 8 minus 4, that is 4. So after that he was having 4 balls. So again he is distributing, right? So again he is from this 4 balls, again he is distributing. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So you have to subtract till you get 0. You know 12 minus 4 is 8, right? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8. So again from this 8 he is giving 4 more balls. So that we have to subtract. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So from this 4 again he is distributing, right? So 4 minus 4, 0. So you are going to subtract till you reach the number 0. So how he distributed the 4 balls? So first he started with 12, right? So 12 minus 4. First he gave 4 balls. So as they were 4 players, isn't it? So first see the number of children or number of players, like that. So again he gave 4 more. Again 4 more. So he got the answer as 0. So till you reach number 0, you have to subtract. So 12 minus 4. Again you subtract 4, then subtract 4. So how many times you have subtracted 4? Just see this number. How many times you have subtracted? 1 time, 2 time. See this number, 12 minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. How many times you have subtracted 4? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. We have subtracted 3 times, right? So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. How many times we have subtracted? 4? 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to, when we divide 12 by 4, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So subtracted 3 times. For 4 we have subtracted 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So this is repeated subtraction. So first initially he was having 12 balls. So how many plays were there? 4 plays. So he gave each one one ball. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Again from this 8 he distributed equally, right? Again he gave one ball to 4 balls he distributed. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Again from this 4 he gave 4 more balls. So answer is 0. How many times he has distributed? How many times we have subtracted 3? 3 times, right? So he subtracted 4. How many times? 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. How many times we have subtracted? That we have to count, and that is the answer. Now we'll do some sums on this. Divide by repeated subtraction. We are going to divide by repeated subtraction. Correct the numbers in the circles wherever needed. So some mistakes are there in this sum. So we are going to correct that also. First we are going to divide by repeated subtraction. Correct the numbers in the circle by wherever needed. One example is done for you. First one example is done. Same sum, 12 divided by 3. So this is different. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So first we will subtract 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 3. What is the answer when you subtract 12 minus 3? It's 9. So again from this 9 we are going to subtract 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6. Again from this 6 we are going to divide equally 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. We are going to subtract till you reach a number 0. So again from this 3 we are going to subtract 3. Just see this number. So we are going to subtract this. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Just see. Can we write like this? 12 minus 3 minus 3. So how many times we have subtracted 3? Just see. 4 times. So write like that. So 4 times you write minus 3, minus 3. Here you have to write minus 3. 2 they have written, so that is wrong. So minus 3. Again one more minus 3. So how many times we have subtracted? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So that is the answer. When you divide 12 divided by 3, answer is 4. So initially they were having 12 chocolates or something. 12 they are having. So how many children? Maybe 3 children. So how will you divide that? So you are going to do repeated subtraction to 12 minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 till you get the answer 0. You are going to subtract. So how many times they have subtracted? Just see. So 4 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So the answer 4 times. How many times they have subtracted? That you are going to write inside the box. Shall we do the next sum? Yes. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 is equal to, we are going to write the answer. So we are going to subtract this. We are going to subtract these two till we get the answer as 0. So 18 minus 6. So 18 minus 6 is 12. So from this 12 again we are going to subtract. Again 6 more we are going to subtract. So answer is 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Again we will subtract. From this we have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. So now shall we write like this? 18 minus 6. So what number will come here? We have to subtract by 6, right? So again, so this is wrong. Write 6 here. Again what number should come here? 6. So cross Z3 and write 6. Cross Z3 and write 6. So first 18 minus 6. Again you subtract 6 from that answer. Again you subtract 6 till you reach 0. So what you have to do? You are going to subtract these two. 18 minus 6. 18 first step is 18 minus 6. Again we have to subtract 6. So we will get an answer, right? From this answer you are going to subtract 6 more. So again answer is 6. Again 6. From this 6 again you are going to subtract 6. So answer is 0. So what number should come here? So cross this, write 6. Again cross this, write 6. Now tell me how many times we have subtracted 6 in this sum. How many times we have subtracted? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Answer is 3. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Write down 3. Here we should write 6. Here also we should write 6. So 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Shall we do one more sum? Now see sum. Same way 16 divided by 2 is equal to, so now same way we are going to subtract 16 minus 2 till 16 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 till you reach 0. So again minus 2 minus 2, again what number will come here? Again 2 will come here. Again 2. Again here also 2. Now tell me how many times they have subtracted. If you want you can do like this or else leave it. Now we'll do repeated subtraction. We have some more sums. So we'll do that there itself. No need to write all these things. So 16 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 16 minus 2, 14. Again 14 minus 2, 12. So like this you have to write till you reach, no need to write. So like this you have to write. Now as it is given in the question, no need to write anything. So how many times they have subtracted? Just see and tell me. So you are going to subtract 2 only. This only you are going to subtract. 16 minus 2. So wherever 4 is there, you have to replace by 2. Now how many times they have subtracted 2? Count and tell me. Just count 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So answer is, when you divide 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. So you have to count how many times they have subtracted 2 from 16. So 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 minus 2, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Till 0 you have to count. So already they have given the answer. So no need to write anything. Just subtract 2 only. Just cross wherever you find 4. You just cross it and put 2. And how many times they have subtracted 2 here? 8 times. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer 16 divided by 2 is 8. So next sum. D sum. So 25 divided by 5. This is how will you do in repeated subtraction? Subtract these two till you reach the number 0. So first 25 minus 5. When you subtract 25 minus 5 is answer is 20. So from this you subtract 5 more. So you will get 15. Again you from this 15 subtract 5 more. You will get 10. Again 10 minus 5. 5. 5 minus 5. 0. Now count how many times you have subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that we are going to write. What mistake is there in the sum? That also we have to correct it, right? So now no need to do all these things. We will do it later. Just for your reference I am doing this. So now what correction is there in this sum? Tell me. What mistake is there? First tell me. Yes. So first we have to subtract 25 minus 5. And from that answer again you have to subtract 5. So just see, this is also wrong. So again we have to subtract 5. So from that answer again we have to subtract 5. Again from this answer we are going to subtract 5. Now how many times they have subtracted 5? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. How many times they have subtracted 5? 5 times. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. This is repeated subtraction. Next one. 32 divided by 4. So same way Now 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Now we are going to subtract 32 minus 4. Start with this 32 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 till you reach. So first 32 minus 4 is 28. So from that again you are going to subtract 4 like that till you reach 0. You are going to subtract. So 32 minus what mistake in the sum? So first 32 minus 4 will come here. 32 minus 4, wherever you find 8, you have to cross that and you have to write 4. So cross that 8. So we are going to subtract by 4 only, not by 8, right? So wherever you find 4, so 8, you cross that and you write 4 above that. So we are going to subtract only by 4. Question is 32 divided by 4, right? So we are going to subtract only these two. So 32 minus 4, and from that answer again subtract 4 more till you reach 0. So 30, wherever you find 8, cross that and you have to write 4. Now tell me how many times they have subtracted 4? How many times they have subtracted 4? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 4s are 32, isn't it? So write 8. What is the answer? Write down 8. So cross the 8 and write 4. So answer is 8. So 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. We'll do the sums on the repeated subtraction in the next classes. So just you correct the mistake, whatever mistakes are there in the sum, just that alone you correct, and just count how many times they have subtracted and write the answer there. And we'll do the sums on that in the later classes. Okay children? So we have to correct the mistakes and we have to write how many times they have subtracted the number. So you know how to do repeated subtraction, right? So remaining sums we'll do in the, just practice well the sums, remaining sums we'll do in the next class. Thank you children.